Today I'm going to show you how to tie a slip knot, something I use quite often if I'm using a lot of clips, making some bushcraft baskets, or looking for firewood and bundling it all together. Really effective. First thing you're going to want to do, just take your rope, run it through your clip, give yourself a little bit of slack back here, okay? So you end up with it looking like this. Take this, pinch it, just take your tag in and bring it right back here like this, okay? Okay, pinch and fold. Now all you're going to do is take this end and loop it around 2 times, 1 and 2. Okay,